Hello there, everyone. I hope you had a good first week of classes being online. If you need anything, again, please reach out to Miss Katie or I. We'd be happy to help you guys. Last week we focused on mean and average. This week we're going to focus on median. So the median is the value that has exactly half the data above and below it. So essentially the median is the middle number of the data. So how we find this is first we need to order the numbers from least to greatest, and then second we need to find the middle number. So the example I have listed here, we have our set of numbers. So we have 83, 65, 81, 89, and 72. So first what I did is I ordered them from smallest to largest. So 65, 72, 81, 83, and 89. It's probably going to be easiest if you guys write these numbers down on paper first, because you're going to want to cross out the numbers. That'll be the easiest way to find that middle number. So you want to start on the left side, cross out the smallest number, 65, then the largest number, 89, the next smallest, 72, and then the next largest, 83. So that leaves you with 81 left in the middle. So 81 is our middle number. It's our median. Sometimes there will be two middle numbers in a data set. So this happens if you guys see this data set, there's an even amount of numbers in it. So there's 4 numbers in it. Whereas this one, there were 5 numbers in it. So since this one was odd, an odd amount of numbers, there will always be just one middle number. But whenever you see an even amount of numbers, that means that you're going to have to add up the 2 in the middle and divide by 2. So I'll show you guys that here. So to find the median for an even number of data points, so we have 4, 8, 3, and 7. So if I order them from smallest to largest, 3, 4, 7, 8, then I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing, cross out the smallest, cross out the largest. So if you notice, I have an equal amount of crossing out on both sides, because if I cross out the 4, then we wouldn't be even. So we want to have the same amount crossed out on each side. So that's how I know, okay, these both are the middle numbers. So now what we want to do with these is we add them up and then we divide by 2. So 4 plus 7 equals 11, and then 11 divided by 2 equals 5.5. So the median is 5.5. The reason why we're doing this is because we want to find that middle number right in between the 4 and the 7. So by adding up the 2 numbers and dividing by 2, that'll give us our middle number. So let's try one more on our worksheet that we'll have for day 1. So find the median of these data points, odd number of data points. So there will be no adding the middle numbers and dividing. Tomorrow, Tuesday, this is when we're going to focus on adding up the middle number and dividing by 2. So let's go ahead and order these from smallest to largest. So if I look at my data points, I see 8 is the smallest, then 12, then 16, then 19, then 24. So now I'm going to go ahead and cross out the smallest, so that would be 8, the largest, 24, the next smallest, 12, and the next largest, 19. And you can see there's only one number left in the middle, so that's 16. So then I know my median is 16. And so for you guys, this is why I think it'd be great if you crossed it out on paper. I still want to see that you ordered it from smallest to largest on this document, but I understand that not everyone is going to be able to cross them out on the computer. So that's okay. It's okay as long as you still order them from smallest to largest and you find that middle number. So then I would go ahead and I would write 16 in here. And that's how we find the median. So if you have any questions, please let me know. But I know you guys are going to do great. Have an awesome week. Only a 4-day week. We don't have school on Friday, so enjoy the nice little 4-day week.